Hey guys, ready for an adventure? Today I'm taking you on a whirlwind tour of the world's top 5 destinations you absolutely can't miss. Let's dive right in. First up, we've got Kyoto, Japan. This city is a magical blend of ancient temples, stunning gardens, and vibrant culture. Explore the iconic Fushimi Inari Shrine with its thousands of red torii gates, or lose yourself in the serene beauty of the Arashiyama bamboo grove. And don't forget to savor some authentic sushi while you're there. Next stop, Santorini, Greece. Picture-perfect whitewashed buildings, blue-domed churches, and breathtaking sunsets over the Aegean Sea. Take a leisurely stroll through the charming streets of Oia, or relax on the unique black sand beaches. It's pure paradise. Now let's head over to Cape Town, South Africa. This city is an adventurer's dream. Hike up Table Mountain for panoramic views, explore the vibrant V and a waterfront, or visit the historic Robben Island. And for the thrill seekers, don't miss out on cage diving with great white sharks. Our fourth destination is the vibrant city of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. From the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue to the lively Copacabana beach, Rio is bursting with energy. Dance the night away at a samba club or take a cable car up Sugarloaf Mountain for stunning views over the city. It's a non-stop party. Last but definitely not least, we have Reykjavik, Iceland. This place is like stepping into a fairy tale. Witness the mesmerizing northern lights, take a dip in the Blue Lagoon, or explore the dramatic landscapes of the Golden Circle. It's an adventure you'll never forget. So there you have it. 5 incredible destinations that should be on every travel enthusiast's bucket list. Which one are you adding to your travel plans? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels.